a Filipina day off here in America. Tara, magluto tayo. Alright, hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Rhea. Kapag day off ko, hindi ibig sabihin na wala na akong gagawin. Sana nga wala. But usually, this is the day when I prepare our meals for the coming week. Medyo maraming trabaho sa umpisa pero malaking tulong talaga kapag busy na ulit during the week. Today, I am making baked chicken, sauteed or ginisang mung beans with lots of greens, pritong isda, or not isda but yung maliliit na hipon, and spaghetti with ground beef at red sauce. Okay. So, gustong gusto ko talaga na nagpe-prepare ng iba't ibang klase ng luto. Para may variety naman kami at hindi nakakasawa ang pagkain throughout the week. The first thing I do is gather all the ingredients, spices, and vegetables and na kailangan ko. Napansin ko kasi na marami sa mga niluluto ko ay gumagamit ng magkapare-parehong ingredients, which is also helpful kapag nagbi-meal prep ka. Dapat halos same yung ingredients kasi para isahan na lang. Instead na paulit-ulit akong maghiwa para sa bawat dish, hinugasan ko na lahat, chop everything at the same time. Then I separate the ingredients according to which dish they will be used for. Okay? Mas organized, mas mabilis, at mas kaunti rin ang kalat sa kitchen. And look at this beautiful garlic. Freshly harvested ito mula sa garden namin. Iba talaga kapag fresh ang garlic ang gamit. Mas sweet, mas mabango, at mas flavorful. I am also using fresh tomatoes from the garden. There's really something special about cooking with ingredients na ikaw yung nagtanim at nag-harvest ka na, alam mong fresh, simple at pinaghirapan mo. For the baked chicken naman, I use plenty of garlic and seasonings para talagang malasa hanggang loob. I already have the recipe in my channel, ililink ko sa description box below this video. Masarap ito guys. Next ay ginigisa ko yung munggo with lots of greens. This is one of those Filipino dishes na filling, comforting, and perfect talaga with rice. At kapag merong prito, anything prito, 'di ba, sa munggo, yun yung pina-partner talaga natin. Of course, hindi mawala yung, ito na nga, yung isa sa mga favorite ko, yung pritong hipon. Simple lang, pero kapag may mainit na kanin at munggo, napakasarap ng combination. At nagluto rin ako dito ng spaghetti with ground beef, garlic, onions, at yung jarred na red sauce. So, usually, 3 to 4 dishes yung piniprepare ko. It gives us another meal option during the week, especially kapag gusto namin ng something quick and easy to reheat. So, cooking from home takes planning, time, and effort. I won't pretend na lahat ito madali. Medyo nakakapagod rin, pero worth it pa rin para sa akin. For me, when you cook from scratch, you have more control over what goes into your food. You can adjust the salt, seasonings, vegetables, and portion size based on what your family likes and needs. It can also save you money because you're not always buying takeouts or eating at restaurants. Meal prepping doesn't have to mean na same yung meal every day. You can prepare yun na nga, mga 4 dishes, store them properly, dapat sealed, para meron kang ma-mix and match throughout the week. That way, meron ka ng ready na home-cooked food even on your busiest days. For me, cooking it's not just another household chores. It's one of the many ways na inaalagaan ko yung sarili ko and my family. There's really something comforting about knowing that we have homemade food waiting for us at the end of a long day. Kasi minsan kapag pagod na sa trabaho, iniisip ko na lang na okay lang, meron akong rice, ginisang munggo at pritong isda or something fried na naghihintay sa akin. So this is how I spend part of my day off. Usually, it takes 6 to 8 hours na nagluluto lang ako. Minsan, naka-multitask yan. Merong sa oven, merong sa stove. Ang nakaganda lang talaga dito na yun na nga, alam mo kung ano yung niluluto mo at alam mo yung mga ingredients na dinilagay mo dito. And also, something special na you bring something, a little taste of home into your kitchen. Kayo, do you also meal prep on your day off? Or gusto nyo yung nagluluto kayo fresh every day? Nakakapagod yun, be. So, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this inspires you to cook something delicious at home. Thank you guys for watching. Ito yung dinner at the end of that day off. And as always, you guys take care.